Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! It's your girl Bree Simone here, and y'all. Okay, so I seen this look on Instagram. I'm not too sure who the creator of the look, the originator of the look. I don't know. I don't remember their Instagram handle, but seen this look, fell in love, screams fall. Not sure what's going on with me and the yellow train, because my last look was yellow and then this look has yellow in it, but I'm absolutely loving it. If you can see, giving the girls very much autumn. It's autumn. That's it. That's what the look is called. It's called autumn, and that's it. No period. No more if, ands, or buts. Okay, so if you do like this look, go ahead and continue watching, but before you move on, don't forget to, like, comment, and also share my video to your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that bell, that notification bell, that ding, ding, ding. But no, seriously, don't forget to go ahead and hit that bell just so you get just so that you guys can be notified whenever I post a video or when I post shorts, because YouTube does have shorts now, and your girl might dib and dab in the little shorts, because been on a roll, very proud of myself, and this look is fire. I only used one palette for this whole entire look. Lashes, boom, like bro. Y'all just gotta watch the video, okay? So if you want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. And do not comment about my Christmas tree. Yes, it's still November, and yes, I got my tree up early this year. Don't care. I'm in the mood. But okay, you guys go ahead and keep on watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bree Simone. So here I am applying the P.Louise base in Rumour number 2, and then I'm just taking a nice fluffy brush and just spreading that all over my eyelids. Once I have that base nice and blended, I went ahead in with the P.Louise palette, the secret center palette, and I'm just taking that color Obsession and I'm focusing that on my outer V and into my crease as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so tongue-tied. So like I always say, start off with a little bit of product and just work your way up to the color of your liking. I did switch my brush, but I am still in the same color Obsession. Now I'm taking a little bit of the color Fling from the same palette, and I'm just using it to blend out those edges, so just that it could look a little bit more seamless. Here I'm taking a flat brush and I'm using the P.Louise base again in Rumour number 2, and I'm just creating a blank space all over my eye. This is similar to creating a cut crease, but not really, because we're not defining that cut where we would want it like as if we did a cut crease. We're just blending it into the colors. And now I'm taking another flat brush and using the color Velvet Kiss. This is all in the same palette again, and I'm just packing that on my lid more towards my outer V, leaving a little bit of my inner corner space available so that we could go ahead and put this beautiful yellow called Climax, again all from the same palette. So here I'm just packing the color on and patting it in. Now I took a clean brush with no product on it to see if I could go ahead and blend that red and yellow together. Now I'm going back in with the color Obsession because I did lose a lot of that color while adding the red and the yellow. So Obsession is more like a brown, like a light brown color. And I'm just using that to go ahead and define my outer V and defining my crease as well. So here I'm just adding and blending, adding and blending, adding and blending. That is mainly what eyeshadow is about. It's about adding and blending until you get that desired look, until it's as blended as possible and it's just as vibrant as you want. Here I'm adding an additional layer of the red because it did get lost when I was trying to add back the brown. So I'm just going ahead and adding back this red. The color is Velvet Kiss, and I'm just packing it on my lid. And I'm doing the same thing again to the color Climax, which is this nice vibrant yellow. And then here I did add a little bit of orange. It's the dreamy color, just a little bit to try to see if that can help with the blending of the red and the yellow. Now I'm just doing a little facial mist with the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. And then I'm just using my Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer right after. And then I went ahead and started with my foundation on a flat top brush. This is my go-to foundation right now, the Born This Way Matte 24-Hour Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation, and I'm in the color Butter Pecan. So I do mist my brush a little bit, and then I just go ahead and work that product all into my skin. And again, I focus more of the foundation on the lower half of my face, and then I just, whatever excess is left on my brush, then I go ahead and work that in on my forehead. Now I'm going in with another, I could say holy grail, is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Warm Sand, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and then I do go around my nose as well. Lately I have been loving how this look just comes out. And then I did spray my brush a little bit, and then I started off with my forehead. Well, I started off with my chin, then I did my forehead. And then I always use my foundation brush to blend out those edges so that it could look a little bit more seamless and looks like they all just blend well together. And then I also do the same thing when I do the bridge of my nose. I take my foundation brush again and I blend out those edges. Then I go around my nose and under my eyes, do a nice tapping motion. I try not to tap too much because I do like a full coverage look under my eyes. So I just go ahead and just tap, tap, tap to spread out the product, not to spread it out too much. And then once again, go over with my foundation brush. And you see how well it just helps it blend. Love that. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey, and I'm just baking but also pressing that powder into that concealer. And then I do tap off, as you can see on my hand, I tap off some of the excess powder onto my hand so that I don't have too much. You know, sometimes when you go straight from the translucent powder straight to your face, it's just too much, and then you see that you're spending more time trying to dust it off. This is how I found that it would be a little bit more easier when it comes to just brushing off the excess powder. And then now I'm using my Sephora Microsmooth face powder. And And then here I just used that to go ahead and brush off the excess translucent powder that was left behind, because I don't bake for very long. And then now I'm using the Black Radiant True Complexion contour palette, using the color Sculpt, using it on my cheekbones, my temple. I did also use it on my chin area as well. I also use that same color to go ahead and do my nose contour. I always start off by the tip of my brows, the beginning part of my brows at the top, and then I go ahead and drag it down and also on the sides as well. As you see here, I'm dragging it all the way down to the tip of my nose. I do that on both sides, and then I blend it to the sides of my nose to help with that concealer and powder brush that we have on our nose, to not make it look so harsh. Now I'm using the Juvias Place, the Sahara Blush 2 palette. I love this blush palette. It's so pigmented. And I use the colors Yara and Tahoo. I'll leave them in the description box down below. And then now I'm just going back to the eyes, and I'm taking the color Obsession, and I'm just blending that all on my lower lash line and bringing it into, also connecting it to the shadow on the top, so it could just all flow together. And then I went ahead and did the same thing to the next eye. Whatever you do to one eye, you have to do to the other eye. And now I'm just popping on my lashes. I did apply some lash glue to my lash line, waited until that got tacky, and then I just went ahead and placed on these beautiful lashes. And as you all know, we are about to line our big beautiful lips with our MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. Absolutely love MAC lip liners. Like, I really do. I really haven't found any other ones that are they just glide for me. I don't know. And then I'm doing my ombre lip. So I brought that lip liner down with the pencil. I just went ahead and just started coloring my lips. Did the same thing to the bottom. And then I did, I don't know how you say it. Like, I brought my lips together like this. And then I went in with the Milani Amore matte lip cream. It's in the color 14. The number 4, not color 14, but the number 14. This is a matte liquid lipstick. It's so comfortable. I love it. I do see where I could have added a little bit more on my lips, like around the inner portion on my lips, but I hate when lipstick get on your teeth, so I just didn't do that. And I used the brush to help blend that red and that brown together. I felt like it looked so beautiful. And then here, I had to show y'all a little hair takedown action. Nothing major. You guys do let me know if you want to see me styling my hair in my videos. I'll be glad to do that, because I do my hair and makeup all in the same day. And this is the finished look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys love this look just as much as I do. Yes, girl, you cute. But no, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.